Hello everyone. Today we will solve problem number 1208. So in this problem we have two string s and t and one integer maxCost. So here we have to change the ith character of s to the ith character of t, and also this is the cost. So the cost is the absolute difference between the ASCII values of the characters. So we have to return the maximum length of a substring of s that can be changed to be the same as corresponding substring of t. Okay, and and also the limit will be the maxCost. So what exactly here we have to do? We will understand this thing using this example. Let's assume we have s is equal to, I will copy these three things. Okay, we have s is equal to a, b, c, d, t is equal to bcdf. Okay, so we start from here. So what is the difference between a and b? It is 1. Okay, if we can create a list in that we have difference between all the characters, so we can store this things here. So for 0th index we have difference 1. For 1th index we have difference 1. Same for the 3rd element, the difference is 1. And for 4th element 2. Okay, so now we'll start from here. Okay, so let's assume this is the single character substring and the total cost is 1, and it is less than or equal to maxCost. So this can be answer. Then we can add the next character also. So now we have the total cost is 2. Here we have the total cost is 3, and it is less than equal to 3. But here we have the maximum cost is 5. So we can't take the last element, but till here we can take all the 3 characters. So that's why the answer will be 3. Same here in ABCD, CDF. Here also if you apply the same concept, you will get the answer as 1. Okay, so now the same thing we will do in this code. So as you can see that if we can create an array like this, after that we can run a loop. We can use slider window here. We can take two elements I and j, both are equal to 0 and 0. And what we will do, we will move this say by 1 by 1. So let's assume here we have maxCost is 1, then 2, then 3. So if it is less than or equal to 3, we will update our answer. But here we got 5. So now what we will do, we will increase our I. Then also we will increase to 1 till the current cost is less than or equal to maxCost. Okay, so like that we have to, like that we can use sliding window to solve this problem. So now I will write the code in Python and then we will submit it. So first of all here we have to create our list. List is equal to absolute value of order of s of I minus order of t of I. And here we have for I in len of range of s. Sorry, this I did opposite actually. Len of s. So here we'll get our list. Then we have to initialize 4 variables. First one is I, j, okay, our current sum, and in then answer, and they all are is equal to 0, the starting of our solution. Now here we'll put that condition if j is less than length of list. And here we will check, first of all we will add our current sum plus list of j, and if it is less than equal to maxCost, sum equal to maxCost, then we will update our answer. answer is equal to max of answer and j minus I plus 1. So like this we'll get the length of current substring, and if this condition will not satisfy, then we have to increase our I. So for that also we need to use one while loop. So if current sum is greater than max cost, then this while loop will run, and here we have to decrease our current sum minus list of I, and we have to increase our I value. In the end we will increase j, and then we can return answer. So here first of all what we are doing, we are creating one list, then we are initializing our I and j index values, and what will be the current sum and the last answer. So here in first condition we are checking if j is less than or equal to less than a list, then we are increasing our current sum, and if it is less than or equal to our max cost, then we are updating our answer. In the else condition we are increasing I. Okay, and in the end we have to increase j to 1 so that we can explore all the values of that particular list. So now I will run it. Okay, so all the test cases are passing here. We are not getting any error. Okay, so it is working, and it beats 97.53 users. So like this we can solve this problem.